How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a absolutely gorgeous 70 Chevelle SS 396. Super nice car, guys. Been done in its original shadow gray with the black SS stripes. Super slick paint on this car. Got the black vinyl top. Beautiful car. Nice and straight down the sides. Bumpers all look real nice on the car. They've all been obviously replaced. Super nice car. All the panel fitment on this car is near perfect. I tell you, this shadow gray with the black stripes and the black top just makes a super tough looking car. Very nice car, guys. This car's got factory air on it, which is really hard to come by. See all the headlight bezels, the grille, the bumpers, all look very nice on this car. This car does have a few miles on it since the restoration. See all the factory decals in the door that jam there. Super clean car. Got factory tilt wheel, got the 3-spoke steering wheel in it. Dash is original and looks real nice. Super nice car, guys. Got factory bucket seats, a staple shifter. Got the factory SS wheels with the BF Goodrich tires. Factory jack and spare. Trunk looks really nice in the car. And I'll tell you, this shadow gray, it's kind of a rare color. Not a lot of them out there. I haven't seen another one in years. Just a super cool car, guys. This color's really nice. The jam's real nice in the car, nice and shiny and nice, clean. Probably one of the cleanest 70s I've seen in a while. Now this has got a period correct 396 in it. It's been all rebuilt. Got a nice cam in it, aluminum intake, Holley, factory air, your factory power disc brakes. Power steering. Very nice car, guys. Got all the GM hoses. It's even got T3 headlights in it. Super cool car, guys. This thing just thumps out the exhaust. Sounds really tough. Backup lights, everything works. Listen, that thing just pounds the ground. Good sound car, guys. This thing's just ready to go. Get in this thing, cruise it, go anywhere you want to go. Super, super nice car, guys. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.